Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming entitlement and device readiness. Check your My Jio app for a 5G eligibility banner. Tap prompts immediately. Once done, make sure your phone's network mode is set to 5G/4G auto and that your SIM profile is provisioned. If the app asks for permissions, grant location and SIM access so the app can verify coverage and apply settings. This gets you past basic barriers and triggers the service activation flow inside My Jio. You now walk through the My Jio activation flow, open services or plans, and select the 5G activation tile. Follow verification steps, confirm SIM number, complete any outstanding KYC, and accept the entitlement check results. Once the app presents provisioning prompts, approve them so the operator can push a 5G profile to your SIM. While the profile updates, you should remain on Wi-Fi or low data usage. This ensures the update completes cleanly without network interruptions or dropped sessions. You finish by rebooting the device to apply the new SIM profile, then select Preferred Network as 5G in Settings and watch for the 5G symbol. If you don't see 5G, immediately recheck that the SIM is in the primary slot, APN settings are default, and My Jio shows successful activation. If problems persist, capture your IMEI and SIM number, open My Jio's support chat, and request operator provisioning confirmation. Quick verification of these items resolves most activation failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.